So guys, suitcase packed, bag packed, let's go. We're literally about to get the train now, so let's go guys, I can't wait. Good morning to your faces, or afternoon or night, depending on where you are. I'm Xplanetgaming, we're going on a journey, come with me, bruh. Here, coach station. Wait, there it is. Why is it so blurry? Well, coach station here, let's go. The coach journey, I didn't film much of it because there was literally someone sat right here, so I couldn't film it, and because it would have been awkward for the guy. I will get some clips. I probably threw some clips on the way home just to give you a perspective of what it was like. And yeah, these vlogs are going to be really weird because I've been here for 2 days, but I didn't film any of it just because I was fitting in. If you haven't guessed where I am, I'm actually in Devon. So if you don't know where that is, if you're in America or something, I'm sure you do if you're in England. It's like a holiday resort area for like, it's pretty much the countryside. And I've been here to meet one of my internet friends. Now you'll see her later. I'm actually chilling. I'm sleeping at her house for a few nights, and then yeah, this is the trip, guys, and I haven't journeyed out yet. I've been out with her mum, and everyone seems really nice around here, and it's much different from London, because London, if I'm honest, everyone's just a prick, but that's between me and you. Anyway, yeah, no, people in London are alright, they're just a bit stressy, to say the least, and that's where I come from, so yeah, it's really different down here, so it's going to be interesting to see what people think of me holding my phone like this and be like hello. But anyway, at the moment we're in, and I might have beeped that name out actually, so until later you see who we're meeting. So we're in her room now, and yeah, we're chilling here. We're gonna go out exploring. I haven't actually explored this place yet. I've been out further, but not where I am, so let's go guys. Before we go out, they have a giant fucking dog. It's a husky, and look at this thing. This is like, it's not even a dog, it's a fucking wolf. Look at this thing. You ready? His name's Blaze. Blaze! Oh my god. It's a fucking wolf. It's a wolf. Oh my god. Yo. Wait, hang on. Come here. Ah, hello. So yeah, now we're going out, so let's go. I've also got another dog, but I don't know where it is at the moment. I think it's asleep. I don't know. I hope it's still here. But anyway, yeah, I've been told to lock certain doors because the husky can fucking open them. So let's do our job right and hope no one runs away. Hope no. I've got to make sure everything's locked. So door number 1 locked. Door number 2 locked. Door number 3, that doesn't have to be locked. It's still. Door number 4 locked. Make sure there's 2 dogs here before I lock the door. Let's go see. 2 dog, you can't see it, it's up above black. Oh my god, you really can't see it, but time to lock the door. I'm just here, walking down the fat hill, wanting to ride. Why can't I ride, you ask? I can't ship a bike down here because, I don't know why actually, I'm gonna do that, screw it. Look at this view, by the way, I'm not used to this. Oh, how are people used to this, or what? 5 minutes lost already, gone down a boxed fucking entrance. Jesus, Google Maps, help me out now. Say something, people walk in the middle of the, like on the side of the road without a pavement down here. The fuck, if you did that back in our town, you get hit by a car instantly. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, a lot of different things around here, and Google Maps is telling me where to go. Okay, bye. Somewhere is exactly where we want to go. It's only taking me 10 minutes to figure it out. Damn it. Walking down a fucking no pavement, just a creepy road. Like, this road would be so creepy right now. The person who lives here, which I'm meeting, you'll see later, I will say her name when we meet her. Fuck me, it's steep as fuck. But I hate to go back up this actually. She's probably used to this. I'm like, what the fuck? I feel so, honestly, I feel like such a tourist. I've never been anywhere on holiday ever, only when I was 7, so it feels really weird for me, you know. So it's gonna be interesting for a view. Jesus. Damn, that's nice. That's where we're going. Very nice. Oh my god. Damn. Fucking hell. Look at them houses. Jesus Christ. Now that's nice. Just chilling here. Battery's draining, so might have to jump back. I've only been out for about 40 minutes, so that sucks. But I need a new phone, really. This thing, the GPS is even broken in it, so we're just chilling. So, damn. Nice, right? Imagine if I dropped my phone in there, that'd be funny as hell. It's like a little castle bit as well, but yeah, it's looking nice so far. A bit bummed out I have to go home to charge this thing, but power banks, that's what power banks are for, so yeah. That's nice. In Devon, I don't know how you can deal with these steep hills. And they're literally roads with fucking hills in them. Like, I only came here to find a Sainsbury's or a Tesco's. My phone's dying, so I have to go back. I'm trying to learn the way back without. You hear that? You must have. Steam train. Really nice. I'll show a few pictures on the screen now if I remember. Well, I will, because I'm editing this. So. Oh my god. This is long. There's a car coming. Literally. So nice though, don't get me wrong, but Devon, I don't know how you manage to fucking walk these. Everyone in Devon must have massive feet, massive feet, right? I'm gonna get there now. Say it is, I gotta go now because a car was literally like down there, beeping at me. Oh fuck me, it's hot as fuck. It's actually quite hot today. It wasn't meant to be hot, it was meant to be cloudy. Oh my god, that looks abandoned as fuck. Looks good though. I hope I'm going the right way. Otherwise I'll be lost with a dead phone. Let's not have that. I'm such a tourist here, so these vlogs might not be that good. Wait until my friend shows me around. It's gonna be so much better. Honestly, I'll be able to cross the sea because there's no river. No, because of boats. But we managed to get around that in London. They got lifting up bridges. So don't know why you're so lazy. You didn't fucking install that, Devon. But okay, I gotta go because this is hard holding this phone and vlogging and all this shit while walking up this steep hill. I thought it was nearly ending, but there's still a lot more to go. So I'll talk to you in a bit, guys. Look at that, Jesus. Wow, I put my phone for a bush. Sorry guys, look, that bush there, I was like, whoop. But literally, these vlogs will not be boring. Well, they will at first, but they're gonna be good once I know my way around, you know. Plus, we're getting a PC built in about 2 weeks down here, so that's gonna be dope. Can't wait to show you my friend later. You're gonna be surprised who it is. I think some of you guys know, but just in case, oh well. But I'll be meeting her shortly in a few hours, so yee! I'm back now. I didn't even need Google Maps once. Like, I was unsure on a few roads, but I'm quite good at this shit, like seriously. But I'm literally, I gotta go leave now to go meet her. And what the fuck was that? I dropped something. I know there's a weird thing actually over here. Like the other day, right? There's yesterday night, I think, this Coke bottle here undid its own lid. Okay, I'm not joking. I watched it. No one was touching it or near it, so that's weird. But anyway, I'm gonna make her a lunch because she's like, I'm gonna surprise her with a lunch because she works all day. So we're gonna help her out and give her a lunch and be cute or whatever. So let's go do that, and let's hope we don't get lost or get there too late. So let's go. Also, I went to Lidl, yeah, because I'm kind of running low on money because I went to the bar the other day. She actually works and spent like 30 quid. So yeah, maybe I shouldn't have done that, but oh well, I've had fun so far, and yeah, I'm gonna go do this and see what she thinks about it. Let's go. This motherfucker steals my food, I will strangle that neck. Oh yeah, that's right, fuck off. Piece of shit. Oh, look at that view, by the way. Very nice. Very nice. If you haven't guessed already, Now, if you haven't guessed her, well, I don't blame you because I didn't really give you many options on who it was. But remember Leah from the stream, guys? Here she is. There she is. Who guessed it? Comment down below if you got it right. I'll give you a $5. Actually, no, I'm bankrupt. Please don't. Anyway, see that lunch I made her earlier? Let's see her reaction to it. She get. Oh, I can't wait. You ready? Actually, I'm gonna let you go through the bag. Actually, can of Coke's mine, but go for that bag quick.
Oh no. Why is it all in a Poundland bag?
Oh, because I couldn't find no tin foil or nothing. I'm not sure how much you'll like of it. Yep. My favourite drink, Red Bull. But I bought you the big one because, you know, I watch out the pigeons might get it. Oh, I call them pigeons, they're seagulls apparently. Right, check inside there.
Okay.
Oh, can of Coke's mine, don't steal that.
Okay, let's see.
You just ripped the shit. Right, you said you don't like the crisp. My fault.
Yes.
You got Snickers. Oh, another 2 for you at home. They were like only £1. Next up.
Oh,
it's like a birthday present. Now it's honey cooked ham. Don't know if you like that. Hope you do.
Yeah.
Then I couldn't find tin foil. I need to buy some tin foil. Sausage rolls.
Damn.
See, I know what women like.
And then that's yours. That's what you're having.
Hey, I'll take it any day. Smoky bacon. So yeah, that's Leah. We'll be chilling for the next few days and yeah, well, dark as shit. Hopefully I get a tan.
If you guys want more vlogs of us, then like and subscribe down below.
Typical YouTuber. Oh yeah, links to her channel will be down below, you know. She's dope at making music. If you like music, link down below, bitches. It's a fucking pirate.
That's not even a tune.
Wow. So, Mrs. Music Production over here told me I was singing the wrong song. I was meant to be singing Pirates of the Caribbean. What I was singing is Battlefield 5 theme song. Thank you very much. Did you get triggered there?
No.
Alright. You're gonna turn into a pigeon with our extra
Extra large Red Bull.
That's what she said. What actually happened earlier, I keep forgetting to film, but what happened earlier was basically not much. We got home, chilled for a minute, she had to go work, I went to sleep, and now we're here. Also, look at this view. Jesus, this is what I love about places like this. Look at this. Look at that. Damn. Oh my god, it's not that great on camera, but Jesus, that's nice. That view's great. You know what I'm doing at the moment? I'm eating these frankfurters I just bought. I have these down where I live and I love them. I've got a can of Coke in my pocket and she's still working. I'm going near the city where she works. I might bump into her and walk home. She's going to be knackered, so we're going right to bed. So yeah, I'm just having a little walk. I love little walks. I really want to bring my bike. But I'm gonna have to work out something on bringing it down because apparently the neighbours steal the packages, so fuck that. Bring it down like a £600 bike and someone nicks it. No, not about that life, but yeah, oh, some lighting, thank you. Hell lighting. But yeah, we're just walking down in the middle of the dark. It's so peaceful, I gotta admit, it's so peaceful at night, seriously. I wish I'd just go to the bar and get pissed out, but no money, so we're just gonna chill. Tomorrow's vlog, I wanna go to a beach, so let's make that happen, baby. Guys, look at this view. Oh my god, it's silent as fuck, so be quiet. Shh. Look at this view, guys. Damn, that is one nice view. Ooh, damn. This camera's really bad, I apologise, but yeah. Damn, they're sexy. And they're still fucking... There's pigeons still about. They're not pigeons, they're seagulls, but they're still fucking pigeons. What I say is, they both shit as much, so they're still pigeons in my book. Fuck you, pigeons. So guys, we did see her. I've got to be quiet because there's houses. And it's quite echoey. So we did see her. But she was like really tired. She wanted to catch a bus home, and we're really skint at the moment, both of us. So I said to her, she will need to pay for me, but I said no because she's skint. Plus I like walking in the dark, it's like one of the things I do. I don't know why. You guys saw that video where I nearly got robbed back in my hometown. but of London, big up London. But I'm walking back, she's catching a bus back. So yeah, I didn't want her to spend any more money on me because she's skin, you know. But anyway, walking home now, so yeah, she'll probably be asleep when I get home. So yeah, if I end the vlog here, if I end the vlog in a minute, goodbye, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next vlog, bye. Also, I got to walk up this fat hill, and I've already walked that. Oh my god, that looks nice. I've already walked that, so fucking hell. That's where I really want to bike, like go really fast down there. I got to watch out because this road that cars actually go down, there's no pathway, so fuck my life. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Couple days later, because I was literally dead asleep, so yeah, let me just tell you, the next vlog is very interesting. Worst day, well, not worst day of my life. I've never been so scared in my life. I got lost. That's all you need to know. If that's not clickbait enough for tomorrow's vlog, well, it's not even clickbait, but whatever. I don't know what it is. Thank you so much for watching. Me and Leah are currently, this is the end of the other vlog as well, but we don't care. Like, this is how we do it because I'm lazy as shit, okay? So thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow vlog. Yeah, bye. I'm tired. Bye.